In part 2 we are going to profile the handle and sharpen the blade. At first we are starting by putting some paper tape on the blade, not to cut ourselves, and then we're going to start profiling the handle on the belt grinder. At first we are removing a lot of material and rough profile it. Also we are going to grind away the pins. And now we are starting to really shape it and check the ergonomics and profile it to greater detail. At this part it's crucial to check constantly how it fits your hand and make sure that it's not uncomfortable in any position. Still detailing the handle, taking it very slow so I don't make mistakes. After the handle is to the shape that we want it, we are going to start grinding away on a much higher grit belt, so we have a much better finish on it before hand sanding. At this part we are just checking the details and see that everything is in order, and yeah, after this we are going to hand sand it. Here I'm addressing the edges. I'm taking care for them not to be very sharp. At this point I'm just finishing up the edges of the blade with the Proxon tool. And now we are going to hand sand it again, because the Proxon tool, even though it is very fast, it leaves little marks that we are going to remove by hand sanding. After everything is finished, we are going to sharpen the blade using at first a 400 grit belt. I'm just doing a couple of passes and then dunking it in water so we don't ruin the heat treat. We are supposed to be very careful doing this part. This is where you can ruin everything if you're not careful enough. Of course, the grind is going to be convex. And now we are progressing to a belt, a leather belt, just to touch up the edge for a final pass. Cleaning the blade, and after this checking the sharpness, which I think it's on point. Probably could be sharper, but I don't know, seems good to me. Of course, the last step is oiling the handle. Even though it's synthetic material, I still do this part. First it cleans it very good and gives an extra layer of protection. Also, I just don't I clean also the blade with linseed oil, and after that I wipe it very good. I find it that it gives an extra layer of protection to the carbon steel. At this point the blade is pretty much done. The new handle is ready and waiting for its new master. I really hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more videos like this, and hope to see you soon. Have a nice day and bye.